It's hard for me to stay.
Oh goodness.
It's hard for me to stay in the line.
Oh, go real fast, Georgie.
Go fast.
Go fast.
Let me see.
Jump up and down. Okay.
Ta-da!
Let me see. Hold it up. Hold it down a little bit more. Oh, nice.
Who
Right,
gets the gold medal?
Oh, definitely you.
Yes!
I think Georgia wants one too.
You get the one for most scribbling in the lines. That's the first one.
Yay.
First day we can color. You get the good one. Mine says the most prettiest drawing. Oh.
Oh, she's giving it to you. Say thank you. Maybe not. Now she's eating it.
Ah, yuck.
Mom, who gets